We'll try this. No guarantees, I'm good, but better, yeah.
Alright, so in this clip I am pushing this willow over, getting it removed down to the root system as much as I can. And then I start piling trees up, and I will in a minute explain the game plan of where I'm putting all the trees. So yeah, and today's video is going to be a lot more time-lapse oriented, as these are a lot of just skid loader doing work. So I'm going to get a long form video of New Holland L220 skid loader pushing over trees out very, very soon.
The reason why I'm choosing right here is because, alright, I think I'm going to pile trees here. The reason why is because that pile ain't going to last forever. This is out of the way. If it catches more trees on fire, oh well. But it's in the most far corner of the field. Only thing that would really need to be moved is that crap. But yeah. Alright, well, harness her out. What they're doing. Yeah.
Alrighty, so in this clip, I am running back, disconnecting the bucket, hooking up the pail spears, and I am going to move the camper in front of the other pile of trees, so it forces me to go elsewhere and not have to pile the the trees up where I have been, because that pile is already big enough, and I've already started a couple other piles too, as you will see later on in this video. And then I'm just shaking out as much as the dirt out of the root system as I can. So yeah. Anyways, enjoy this next bit of time-lapse music.
That sharp end up, put myself an axe. Can I ask you a question? something I want to point out. This is all from there like 3-4 years ago. Mainly just horseweed. There's some grass in there. It's actually broken down pretty nicely.
Alright, so what I was trying to explain is I'm going to basically move that pile of dirt out of the way, and it's going to be in a spot that it's out of the way for us, and we can use it as fill later. And then in this clip, I am just driving around trying to make sure that the ground is nice and level from all the trees I ripped out, and the tree roots I took out as well. And it would be easier with a box blade, but unfortunately our box blade is being borrowed, so I did my best with the skid loader, and I also pushed over 2 more trees, so yay! And then I tried to fill the holes in the best I could. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I guess I'll catch you all in the next one. Adios.
It is hard.